it is time. We're decluttering. This closet, this bathroom, this bedroom desperately needs this, and I did not clean up for you guys. I left things exactly how they were so you can see exactly where we're starting from. I feel like the last several months have been so freaking busy that I have let this go and honestly had to consciously be like, this is just not a priority right now. Today Max is home, so he's hanging with the baby. I will probably be interrupted. I might not finish this today, but we are going to start and we are going to try. And I think I'm gonna start with the bathroom because that feels like the smallest project. And I feel like if I can get that done, then I will have some motivation to keep going. The big areas we're gonna try to do are the bathroom, the closet, which is probably the biggest project. I have so many clothes. Part of the problem is that I make clothes, so I have a constant influx of new products that I made, which I love, but honestly, I think the thing is I need to just get rid of a lot of the other stuff that I've kept but don't wear anymore. Then we have the dresser, which is bras, underwear, pajamas. And then last thing is this little piece of furniture in my, little piece of furniture in my bedroom that I keep jewelry on top, and I have just kind of thrown things on there, and I would love to have it more organized. So that's the plan. Let's get started.
While we clean, let's talk about some of my top tips for decluttering. The first one is to take everything out. It's so annoying, but it's so much nicer if you can actually clean behind everything and clean under everything. It makes the whole thing so much more fresh.
This is a pregnancy test from when I found out I was pregnant with Paige. I think it might be time to just toss this.
My next tip is to sort like with like. So when you're first getting everything out, just put all the things that go together in the same spot because this will help you figure out how much space you need for those items. And obviously take out everything that's trash as you do this.
Okay, checking in. These are all lip glosses. or lipsticks. Do you guys feel like you buy so many of these because you can't try them? So you never, well, I guess you can at like Sephora, but a lot of these are like Revlon from like, you know, just from CVS. And I feel like I buy them thinking I'm gonna love them, but like even some of these, I feel like the color is so, okay, this looks exactly the same, but I feel like often the color looks so different or it just looks so different on me. But like what was I thinking buying this color? Like this is gonna look horrible on me. I'm gonna just toss this because these are also, pretty sure this I got probably around the time I was getting married. So that's been almost 5 years. And even if I loved it, it would probably be time to let it go. I sort of organize things into little sections. This is all stuff I know I'm gonna put into back stock. This is face stuff. I have like some skincare and body care stuff, hair stuff. I'm gonna try to fit these all together. I'm trying to decide how I wanna organize this drawer because for Christmas, randomly, I asked for like a new set of white washcloths to wash my face at night because I've been using primarily pure cleansing oil. So I want like a nice clean washcloth. So I got a whole bunch of them and I really want to keep them in this drawer so I can grab one every night and they're just easily accessible. So I'm not gonna be able to fit, obviously not gonna be able to fit all of this back in here, but I do sort of need to keep some hair stuff.
My third tip is to organize things into daily, weekly, and monthly. So things that you use all the time, things you use sometimes, and things you use rarely, because that will help you decide where to put things based on what is at eye level, what is the most easily accessible. I do this for my clothes, or accessories, beauty products. Pretty much everything is organized into these 3 categories.
Okay, we are back after a little intermission of feeding the baby lunch and putting her down for a nap. But now we are going to finish this bathroom. I'm feeling less and less confident about having time to do the closet and other areas, but we're just gonna do as much as we can. And hopefully I'll have time tomorrow or sometime in the next year to do this. Okay, we did it, almost all of it, because there is in fact all of this we still need to handle, but this looks so beautiful. I am obsessed. I can see everything. I know where everything is. Beautiful. Just stunning. My everyday stuff and like kind of hair stuff back here. Also, I had these out, but I don't even use them every day, so I'm gonna put those away and try to only have out things I use every single day. Then we have this drawer with my beautiful white washcloths and extra makeup. This is more for like fancy occasions. And then we have extra hair products, body care products. These are things I feel like I do reach for like maybe once a month, once a week. So I want them easily accessed. And then down here is hair tools and period products. And then I also was able to squeeze these in down here, which is perfect because I really only ever use these if I'm using these products. Houston, we have a problem. I went to start taking this stuff and then realized I have these in our linen closet, which have like extra products in them. So I'm gonna put this all together. I'm gonna take it all into my office and organize it with what I have in there. This is where I keep extra products. So I'm going to fill this up with all the stuff I have in there and probably go through it and get rid of everything I don't need. Okay, I just got everything from both of those baskets and the stuff that was in my bathroom all in here. It's not perfectly organized, but I know like deodorants, hair stuff, self-tanning, makeup, and then skincare. Basically I just have a lot of back stock of a lot of this. So I'm just gonna work through a lot of this year. We're gonna work on this space, specifically this top here, because it's just chaos. I currently have an alarm clock that is not plugged in, a bottle of Vouv that my friends got me for my first year in business. I think I'm gonna keep this because it still makes me very happy. And down here I have perfumes that I honestly don't really wear, but jewelry box that my dad built me when I was a little girl. I don't know how old I was, but he made this all himself and it's so beautiful. And I have organized this fairly recently, but mostly has like mementos on the bottom. But I think I might put more jewelry in here. I don't know. We might have to do some jewelry refiguring. This basket down here currently has, what a combo. It has insoles that go in shoes and Spanx. I don't think these need to be here because this is not a good use of space. This is a very easily accessible area. So I think I'm gonna put hair things and maybe some jewelry in here and then put this on top of my closet because this is not something I access. I don't wear Spanx almost ever. Actually, I feel kind of guilty going through all this stuff because a lot of this I have bought and thought I was gonna wear and never did, or some of it I have worn but only like a couple times. A lot of it is low quality stuff I've bought over the years that has tarnished, like these earrings that are fake gold and they look like trash, and they are now trash because I couldn't even donate that, like no one even wants that. And I have just bought so much low quality jewelry over the years, and it is such a shame because instead of just purchasing one thing that I would wear all the time, I got excited about the, pack on Amazon that had like 12 pieces or something, like 12 sets of earrings, and I bought them all. And like, yes, I did wear them, and there's been some that I've worn more than others, but mostly they're trash. Like at this point, they're all trash because they're all tarnished and they're all crappy quality, and I never pick them up to wear them, and I just don't even wear enough jewelry. Like, I don't go enough places that I need fancy jewelry. Obviously, this is a nuanced conversation because I'm definitely not saying I'm never gonna buy fast fashion again. For one, part of the reason I buy these cheaper earrings is because I'm always afraid I'm gonna lose them. And I don't want to lose an expensive pair of gold earrings. I think I need to kind of do some work with thinking about whether I like deserve nicer things like that. I think sometimes almost think of myself as like a kid that like doesn't deserve nice things like that. It's complicated. It's not all so simple, but anyway, I am going to make an effort in 2025 to limit the things I buy that are just to fill a need immediately, like that feeling of just like urgency of being like, I just need these earrings for this weekend, and being like, is there anything else I already have that I could wear? And then is there something I want to like think about long-term that I'd like to purchase to wear at some point? Like a pair of nice gold earrings or a pair of, nice loafers that I'm like, I would like something that's not just like Target or H&M or whatever, or Amazon, and have something that I'm gonna keep in my closet for years, because I think I'm finally old enough for that. I think I'm a grown up this time. Baby's still asleep, so there's no time like the present to go ahead and work on this closet. I already see a lot of things that I think I could sell. Like I have a Kate Spade purse up there that I never use. I think I could sell some of this stuff, which is kind of giving me motivation, because I think my plan is to sell some stuff on Poshmark and then maybe use the money to either do something fun or to invest in something like a nice pair of shoes or a nice pair of earrings or something like that, depending on the option here. It might just be enough to like get a Starbucks or something, but I know I have like duplicates of things that I don't need and I've just like held on to for whatever reason. So that's the time. Even if I don't finish the closet fully, I still think anything I can pull out of there and get rid of or sell or whatever is gonna be a win. I also already know there's a basket of things at the bottom of my closet of things I have pulled out thinking, I'm gonna donate this, I'm gonna donate this. So that's an easy win. We already have a whole pile to donate. This is the donate pile I have already created. I really cannot get this down.
Need a hand?
Yeah. Got it. Wow, look at that. That is so much space I never had. Okay, I'm proud. I'm feeling particularly ruthless because I think because it was summer recently, I'm like, I know I didn't wear these things. We gotta let them go. Okay. Sparkly. Okay, we're back for day 2 because we didn't quite finish everything yesterday. I did get the closet totally organized. I'll show you guys some after videos of that, but we have this massive pile of clothes that I need to now sort through. We're gonna go through all of these for a donate, a sell, and then a couple things that need to be kept in other locations, like maternity items and stuff like that, that I need to go put in a bin. No, we're putting it in. Help me put it in.
You want me to take her downstairs?
Max, can you take this whole basket and put it in the bag? We did the closet, the bathroom, the dresser, the little black piece of furniture, and honestly, bonus, we did the linen closet and the drawer in my office that had all of my extra beauty products. Now all of it's all together. So I want to talk about my no spend month I'm going to do in January. I was already planning on doing a no spend January, but now I feel extremely motivated to do that based on seeing how many extra things I had. I got rid of 4 trash bags full of clothes. I donated them all. And then I have 1 giant laundry basket full of things I'm going to try to sell. And if they don't sell, I'll just donate them. But I got rid of so much stuff and I don't feel like I even miss it. So I know that that goes back to not just a accidental, sometimes you buy things and they don't work out. That's true. But I think most of this was just plain old overconsumption. I just bought too much. I own too many things. I got rid of a sweater that I have an almost identical one that I've bought this year. Like I bought in October. And while I do like the one I bought recently better, I didn't even realize I already had a sweater that looks so similar, like the same color, both mock neck. It was a little bit embarrassing. That being said, my rules for my no spend January are going to be no buying clothing for a month. I think I can totally do a month. No buying any beauty products, and honestly, I was gonna say like if I run out, but honestly, I don't think that's physically possible. And also, I can probably live without it. Like, I guess if we run out of toothpaste, we'll buy more toothpaste, but I pretty much have everything I need. Next thing is no home decor. I have all of our Christmas decorations out right now and I'm looking forward to cleaning that all up and honestly just having less stuff out for a little bit. I just don't want to buy anything from Amazon. I would like to take a break from Amazon because it is not what I buy on Amazon that's the problem. It is the quickness that I buy it. This one is probably gonna be the hardest because I definitely use it for things for Paige and for just like quick things, and it's always when I need the convenience. But I'm going to really challenge myself that if I do desperately need something that I'm trying to buy on Amazon, I'll just buy it from somewhere else because I just want to take away the 2-day shipping, instant gratification, I can just order it real quick kind of thing. Like if I do need something, I can go to Target and pick it up. I don't need to buy it on my phone and have it there the next day. I can get my little butt up and get in the car and drive to the store and get out of the car and go buy the thing I need. I feel like the little purchases are just what add up so fast. And while I'm very excited to hopefully save some money doing this, I think the biggest thing is I want to change my mindset around just the idea that you have a thought that you need something or want something, and then you just buy it. And especially things that are like the $10, $15, $20 amounts, it feels so easy to hopefully bring my brain back to a little bit more of a homeostasis. I'm looking forward to trying to come up with some fun free activities to do with paid. And then the fifth item, I'm going to really try to do no takeout. My exceptions for this one are just that if like we're with a group of friends and everyone's getting takeout, we can get takeout. But I'm not gonna order it just for like our little family. Like I'm gonna use things that are in their freezer. I'm gonna use quick meals I have prepared. We're gonna eat up things that are just kind of in the back of the freezer or the back of the fridge. I'm trying to not waste. I did a much better job of this last year. I made a real effort to not waste food and use everything that we buy, which I do think we do a pretty decent job at, but I wanna bring that up a notch and not even have the temptation of ordering takeout on like a random Tuesday night. So let me know if you are considering doing a no spend month yourself. I would love to cheer you on. I'm gonna share about it on Instagram and TikTok as well. So if you are interested, follow along over there. But I can't wait. I'm excited. I'll come back with a reflection maybe at the end of the month. If I make it, I'm gonna make it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with a new video next week. Bye.